My name is 𝗪𝗺, and I just completed my 200-hour course of yoga here at Vinyasa Yogashala. And I am beyond grateful to have had this experience here with amazing people in my group that I've made connection with that I know I will have for a lifetime. And also the teachers that are so compassionate about the teaching and the practice, where you truly feel like they're encouraging you on this journey. And also the staff that work here at Vinyasa Yogashala, the food they cook, how they look after you. I've had a beautiful experience. And also for personal development, I couldn't have given myself a better gift. So I'm grateful that I was actually a bit lost in life and didn't know where to go, and that I ended up here. Thank you so much. Namaste.